Exterior Paint Colors 2026. 2026 is turning out to be a defining year for exterior home colors. Forget everything you thought you knew about neutrals. This year, they're evolving. First up, Earthy Green's exterior house colors. From olive to sage to deep moss, green is the new gray. It brings a grounded, organic feel to exteriors, and homeowners are obsessed. It doesn't scream for attention, but it quietly transforms a house into a statement. Next on the rise, warm clay tones exterior house colors. Think burnt sienna, terracotta, and soft desert blush. These shades channel a Mediterranean calm and pair beautifully with natural wood finishes. They're bold but not loud, confident, not aggressive. Blacks and charcoal's exterior house colors? Still trending, but they're softening. Instead of stark jet black, we're seeing hues like graphite, carbon, and smoked oak. They bring sophistication without the harshness, especially with matte finishes. Now, here's the twist. Pastel exteriors are creeping into modern design. Not candy pastels, but dusty rose, powder blue, and pale lavender. Used with restraint, they add an artistic touch without feeling like a dollhouse. Designers are calling this the subtle vibrance trend. Color without the commitment phobia. White exterior house color isn't going away, but it's getting warmer. Cool blue-toned whites are being replaced with creamy ivory, alabaster, and warm linen. They soften sunlight rather than reflecting it aggressively. And when paired with dark trims, the contrast feels fresh, not stark. Trim exterior house colors are getting creative too. Instead of black or white, we're seeing forest green, deep navy, and even copper accents. Homeowners are embracing color combos that reflect their personality. The days of one-size-fits-all palettes are gone. Speaking of bold moves, two-tone exterior paint colors are making a comeback. Split facades, one color on the first level, another on the second, add dimension. It's architectural storytelling through color. But the key is balance. Think charcoal with cedar or olive with soft cream. Paint technology is also advancing in 2026. We now have finishes that reflect heat, resist fading, and even clean themselves. Yes, self-cleaning paint is real and surprisingly accessible. It's not just about color anymore, it's about performance. If you're painting to sell, lean into timeless modernity. Warm whites with wood or stone elements never fail. But if you're planting roots, go bold, go personal. A deep clay with bronze hardware might just be your signature. One thing's clear, 2026 is about expression through elevation. Exterior paint is no longer just a backdrop. It's the first impression, the mood setter, the voice of your home. Trendy doesn't mean temporary, it means timely and tasteful. And in 2026, taste has never been more colorful.